Meaning of gleanings.
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 Gleanings. Gleanings refers to the act of collecting or gathering small pieces of information or knowledge from various sources. It typically involves carefully selecting and extracting useful insights or data that might otherwise be missed or overlooked. The term can also refer to the remaining bits or scraps after a larger harvest has taken place. In summary, gleanings describes the process of obtaining valuable information through careful selection and extraction, often focusing on small or overlooked details, and typically as a supplement to a larger dataset.